Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools on hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the BIOS battery without damaging any components. First, power off your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga and disconnect it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located around the perimeter. There are typically 10 screws to remove, so be sure to keep them organized to avoid confusion during reassembly. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry the back cover away from the laptop. Take your time with this step to avoid cracking the cover. As you lift the cover, be cautious of any connected cables that may be attached to the motherboard. With the back cover removed, locate the BIOS battery. It is usually a small, coin cell battery situated near the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to ground yourself by wearing an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrostatic discharge that could harm the internal components. Carefully disconnect the battery from its socket. You might need to use the spudger to help lift it out gently. Ensure you are not bending any connectors during this process. Once the old battery is removed, take a moment to clean the area around the battery compartment. Use a soft brush or a lint-free cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Now, take your new BIOS battery and insert it into the socket, ensuring it is placed in the correct orientation. The positive side should be facing up, so double-check the markings on the motherboard if you are unsure. After the new battery is securely in place, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Align the back cover with the body of the laptop and press it down gently, ensuring that it snaps back into place. Reinsert the screws, tightening them securely but taking care not to over-tighten, as this could damage the casing. Now that your laptop is reassembled, it's essential to power it on and enter the BIOS settings. To do this, turn on your ThinkPad and repeatedly press the F1 key as soon as you see the Lenovo logo. In the BIOS menu, check to see if the date and time are correct, indicating that the new battery is functioning properly. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this procedure, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation and pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls, no travel, and you can get a quote before repair, making it easier for you to maintain your device. Lastly, always keep your laptop clean and ensure that it is well ventilated to prevent overheating. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your device significantly. By following these steps, you can successfully change the BIOS battery in your Lenovo 3rd Gen ThinkPad X1 Yoga and keep your laptop running smoothly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.